Hello everyone, my name is Paul and I'm the voice engineer for GWI. This is the second of two videos covering the new design of the GWI ComPortal user and administration web interfaces. In the previous video I covered the user web interface, and in this video I will be covering the business group administration web interface. As before, there is no change in functionality of the web interface, just change in the design and layout. Log into your business group interface is identical as before. The URL, any bookmarks or shortcuts you have saved for the admin website will remain the same after the conversion to the new website takes place. Looking around, the login screen for the ComPortal administration website has been greatly reduced and consists of a simple GWI logo, which if clicked brings you to the GWI.net business website. Accessing the administration ComPortal interface consists of your 10-digit admin telephone number and the ComPortal admin password. Once entered, click the login button, which will bring you to the main working area of the admin portal. On the left-hand side of the admin portal is a menu tree which breaks up the various groups of the ComPortal administration, such as groups, lines, services, and at the bottom, a built-in help pop-up screen and feedback screen. The primary admin portal working area consists of the same groups broken down into the smaller subcategories such as the hunt groups, call pickup groups, ACD supervisor dashboard if you've purchased that product from GWI, your users, attendance, group access, and phone control of the hosted PBX phones if you've also purchased that service from GWI. Under services, you have control over your departments, your short codes, your extensions, the music on hold, the legacy auto attendant product, and miscellaneous settings. At the very top, under the description of the line for your admin account, is a simple logout button. When clicked, brings you back into the primary login screen. Please take advantage of the built-in help guide. It describes all the components of the business group administration interface in great detail. But as always, if you need assistance with this new website, please contact GWI. We're more than happy to help. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.